to get it, check out how a nigga rip it. They say I'm so committed, cause every day I live it. Most don't understand me, I figured out one day they'll get it. If you don't see me here, I'm in your fucking dreams. No, it ain't Freddy Krueger, but I'm taking niggas' dreams. I'm going far with it, straight to the stars with it. I've been a writer making beats, see I was born with it. I got my soul in it, sweating my blood in it. Who really put it down the way I put it down? I'm Siddiq. I love this rap shit, it's in my soul, nigga. I'm always gonna rock it till my heart stops, nigga. Born out of Brooklyn, and rappers shook in. Never wanna put me on, hate the way I focus. They know I'm mad nice, you gonna know my name. When you see me in the streets, holler, that nigga's a beast. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? Motherfucking soul, nigga. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? Motherfucking soul, nigga. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? Motherfucking soul, nigga. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? Motherfucking soul, nigga. If you a figure that be hustling to get it poppin', never let a hater stop it. Keep it rockin', always poppin', always keep that fire in your belly. Let the beats out, never hesitate to put it out. That's what the streets bout. Never sleep, never stop. Keep it moving, always pushing. Cooking up that crack, keep it oozing out your pores. Smell the streets like a bloodhound. Put your feet to the ground, move that weight through your town, through the states to the other side. Overseas, open eyes. It's like I got that bug on the mic, it's suicide. Dying on hot beats, reviving the game G. Conniving to stay me. I'm dirty with rich dreams. Fuck it, I got a scheme. That's the way the game be. Pushing brains deep through levels unseen to write that lava. The say it's in my jeans, in my jeans. Beyond your thoughts, it's greater than what you ever seen. Tell me, who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? Motherfucking soul, nigga. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? Motherfucking soul, nigga. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? Motherfucking soul, nigga. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? None. Who fucking with me? Motherfucking soul, nigga. Now let me tell you a history lesson. It began in '99 when I started getting blessings. Started writing, best thing self-expression. Plus a lot of shit I've been through. Told me some lessons, had plenty on my plate. Only thing that set me free to be able to write what I feel and what I seen. To be able to drop it on beats, beautiful thing. Like that girl you always wanted, telling you what she needs. Bliss, and people knew I had skills on my hand. When I spit it at a battle, had that fire in me, man. That pain in my heart, that killer in my eyes. Ready to go to war on the mic with no surprise. Had that crack in my words, that venom in my veins. One hit is an overdose, put mad dudes to shame. So what's the verdict? Yes, I figured through his thing. Guaranteed to make her come as she's calling out my name.